You guys silly? I'm still gonna send it.
Last time on SV Full Send, we finished sanding and epoxying the keel, applying PR15 anti-rust paint to the keel bolt connection, then mount the power inverter with epoxy and paint the rudder with Interprotect 2000 Echo. Then we check out St. Augustine with Cali. What did the pirates say?
Avasti, yarr.
I'm looking for Chase. I'm like, come on, what the hell? Where did they go?
Time gets sweeter, sweeter at the end.
After a relatively calm Friday night in St. Augustine, we planned to show Kari a bit more of northern Florida in America. He was going to his first baseball game that night.
I got it. Is that the... Oh!
Oh, wait, do it again, do it again.
Oh yeah, baby! Let it burn! Woo! That's what I'm talking about!
Oh, shit.
Where's Kari? Where's Kari? How's this first baseball game for you? Hell yes.
Sunday was Kari's last day, so we headed to the Navy base for a round of golf. Only Alan actually plays, but that's half the fun, right?
Former home, the birthplace. So we're still waiting.
It's our just not right now, but
Yeah, what is this shit?
for nationals.
Bringing you on a secure base.
You'll be like 6 hours later.
Put the SpongeBob up, yeah. 6 hours later. Yep. Kari. Some Air Force Ones. Alan, what happened?
Well, it's been taking us a while just to get on here. And didn't remember my shoes because they're in our car, not Leslie's car.
I thought you grabbed the keys to go grab them.
No, I got distracted.
Alan, what deal did we just do?
2 beers, 10 wings, $1 more than what we were going to pay anyway, so it's perfect. Apparently people turn this down.
Isn't that crazy, man?
Welcome to America, the land of...
Alright boys, let's get after it.
Let's do it.
Let's have a day.
Hey, is this
Let's
a
have
rock?
day. It's a rock. It's a rock.
Just in case you were wondering.
Do not molest the gators. Didn't see that. I hope we see a gator out there. I like this a lot.
Down.
Yeah. As soon as they gave me the keys, I was like,
Yeah, I'm down. Be cool. Cops.
all right, Alan.
Are we playing that?
I saw yours go this way too.
Is the 9-iron the highest iron?
Must be.
No, it's the lowest. Oh, so I need a 6? So did it roll in the water?
You might have.
Victory or death? Just digging myself a hole right now.
We'll just go
Right into the water.
Still recording.
Go.
we're having fun, but at least let's try and actually hit
We're taking that. Nice.
Yeah.
Here we go, right? We're a few beers deep.
Woo! Got to say.
I'm getting dehydrated. Alan can't find his ball. Hey. Let's do it.
No, I found my ball. What do you guys say about that, huh?
Ooh, that was a good shot. Oh, it's a good shot right there, y'all. We're going back to the big house later, get some wings, huh?
Oh, you know it, baby. Yeah. I don't know about you, but I'm a wing and a blue cheese. No, ranch guy, not a blue cheese.
Oh yeah, I'm blue cheese.
I'm ranch all the way.
I'm naked though. Naked
I'm
all the
ranch
way.
all the way, baby.
Naked.
After a great visit with Cotty that blended work and some fun in the sun, we headed to the airport to send him off.
Alright, dude. Thanks for coming down.
Thanks for having me, man.
Yeah, I did.
Thanks for all the help, brother.
You're welcome, thanks for driving and, going back and shit and taking me out.
We'll get you down to Salem too.
Yeah.
Forgot to take his Polaroid.
Yeah. We'll do it when I get back.
Yeah.
We decided to take a break from boat work for a long weekend and headed down to Fort Lauderdale for some R&R with friends. And we picked up some boat supplies from Jason's storage unit.
I tried to tell him that there's no way in
Having
hell
some fun with our
that's
friends?
and then
Normal.
and that's why I was like, Kruger's like, Catherine? I'm like,
And then
no.
he's taking all the credit. He's like,
And Catherine, no, I was like, dude, there's no.
What's up, buddy?
Say something cool.
I'm gonna go
That's the full
upstairs
sense
and
in town.
we're gonna put this to bed.
Come on, Kruger.
don't ever roar like that with a girl. That was disappointing.
So, the first time I've seen Alan in a while, and Alan's a really great looking guy. He's one of my really good friends.
Don't I have beautiful eyes?
I love him. He's got beautiful eyes, beautiful hair.
Yeah.
But being a hairstylist, the first time I saw him this time, the only thing I could think of was mullet. And it needs to go.
It needs to go.
So, I want him to grow his hair long because, you know me, I really like long hair.
Yeah.
And but the top needs to come down and be even. We just don't want the mullet. So I'm just gonna cut a little bit off the back with kitchen scissors.
I do what the doctor orders.
I thought we were having a nice productive evening going out tonight, but now Alan's getting de-mulleted? No, I don't like this. I like mullet.
You're gonna
Guys, this is Max.
Yeah.
you're gonna
like this?
you're gonna cut into this a little bit. Go ahead.
Just
Ready?
Be gentle.
you need to hold it there.
What is that?
Be gentle.
Sharpen these knives.
Be careful with my hand.
Cut my hair.
There you go.
It's gonna give you those not smooth edges.
What a pirate.
Yeah.
So this is prep before going out to the bars in Fort Lauderdale right now.
Look how good Alan looks.
You got it.
Hey, no more mullet time.
It actually doesn't.
He looks so sharp, yeah, actually works out really well. It does look way better.
Oh, hey, she knows what she's doing.
Yes.
All right.
We're here
Sean.
at Sean's place, and Sean has graced us with the ability to have some of his Rip Van Winkles. If you guys don't know what that is,
Pappy.
Pappy, I'm sorry.
Here's
Go for it.
Here's to one and all. All right. Here's to brothers. Here's to everything that we have been through, long and hard. But here's the thing: we're here now. We're just drinking, having a fun time, and it doesn't matter what happens. We're just drinking.
Let's go, brother.
After a great weekend with friends, back to boat work. August 22nd, Thursday. We're working on getting all of the blisters down to fiberglass, put some epoxy and then some fairing compound. You see this is the fiberglass. This is pretty much the blister. So we'll have to epoxy, fairing compound, level this out. This is a significant gap. Got a few more that we still got to do. I think there's one or two on the other side. See, here's the other side. Blisters right here. Have to do the same thing. Looks like they just painted directly into a hole the former blisters. Yeah. We then started with the first application of 5200 to seal the keel to the hull.
Kind of want to go over with 2 coats of it.
Yeah. All right, here we are next day. Putting in the second coat, 5200.
Just acetoned it.
First coat went on pretty damn good.
Yeah, first coat looks really good, but you know, never hurts to add another layer.
Just gonna paint over it.
Not a bad final product. Pretty good seal. Alright, we're headed to the airport today to pick up our buddy coming in from Ireland. Haven't seen him since we were in St. Martin with the Bucket Lust. He's coming in for a few days before he heads to the Bahamas, so have him help us out with doing, hopefully we'll be able to paint the bottom and have him help and get another set of hands.
Yeah, last time he was on the boat was when we got pulled over by the Dutch Coast Guard because we couldn't move and we ran out of gas.
So this one will be a little bit less eventful when it comes to stuff like that, but about to pick him up right now. What's up? You gotta use the key. Probably best to sit on that side.
If you like this video and want to see more, subscribe to our YouTube channel and help support us on Patreon.
You guys silly? I'm still gonna send it.